Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your domain with GoDaddy step by step clearly. To begin transferring your domain with GoDaddy, first, log in to your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products section from the account menu. Locate the domain you wish to transfer in your list of products. Click on the domain name to access its settings. In the Domain Settings menu, scroll down to find the Additional Settings section. Click on the link that says Transfer Domain Away from GoDaddy. Make sure your domain is unlocked by checking the lock status. If it is locked, click on the switch to unlock it. Next, look for the authorization code, also known as the EPP code. Click on Get Authorization Code to have it sent to your registered email address. Open your email and find the authorization code that was sent by GoDaddy. Copy this code, as you will need it for the next steps. Now, go to the registrar you want to transfer your domain to. Initiate the domain transfer process on the new registrar's website. When prompted, paste the authorization code into the appropriate field. Follow the instructions provided by the new registrar to complete the transfer. After you submit the transfer request, you will receive an email confirmation. Make sure to check your email for any further instructions or actions required. The transfer may take several days to complete, depending on the registrars involved. Once the transfer is successful, you will receive a confirmation from your new registrar. That concludes the process of transferring your domain with GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.